Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see what Lumia devices are doing in 2020. Yes, this is the Lumia 650. So this phone was initially launched in India in 2016 and I bought this phone for 15,000 rupees. So as this phone now lacks a lot of third-party apps and Microsoft also announced the end of support for this device in 2019. So I bought an Android mobile now, but currently this mobile is used by my father, but still it's very good in very good condition. So first we will quickly see the specs. So this phone has a 5.0 inch HD AMOLED display. It has 720 into 1280 pixels and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The processor is Snapdragon 212 and the GPU used is Adreno 304. Regarding the memory, it has 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. And for the camera, we have 8 megapixel rear camera with 720p 30 fps video recording. And for the selfie, we have 5 megapixel camera. So the battery wise, it has 2000 milliampere hour LiION battery. And one thing I would like to highlight that this phone weighs only 122 grams, which is very light and also very thin. So whenever I give my mobile to my friends, they usually ask whether you remove the battery. So this much lightweight is the mobile is. And let's see how the phone is performing now in 2020. So first let's start with the display. So the home screen has the default Windows launcher with tiles. So the tiles display the updates from your applications. When you swipe left, you can see all your applications. And as I have already mentioned, it has the AMOLED display. The color and contrast ratio is really very good. With the Microsoft Clear Black display technology, the display looks even better. In daytime, you can easily read the text, and in nighttime, you can clearly experience the true black display. That too, when the lights turned off, the true black experience is really awesome. We have the other features like always on display and double tap to wake up, and like in all the mobiles. Next, let's move on to the performance. So even though this mobile has a 1 GB of RAM, so it can easily outperform any Android mobile which is having 2 GB of RAM. And since its mobile has 4 years of age now, and also it has Snapdragon 212, we cannot expect the blazing speed, but the speed is almost okay. So my dad is using for the basic usages, for calls and to hear the songs. So for that, the mobile is really okay and very good. Regarding the camera, it's taking the decent photographs even after these 4 years. The camera sensors are really good, and you can see I'm taking the candle. So this is really good, and also these are some of the photographs taken using this mobile. Regarding the call quality, the quality is very good. I have never seen any call drops, and it has two 4G SIM cards, and the cellular reception is also very good. Let's come to the battery life. So with the minimal and basic usage, so the battery comes more than a day, so which is really good as of now, because it's been 4 years now. So the battery life is really very good. And for the applications, you need to get them from the Microsoft Store. Yeah, we have a limited apps for the Windows Phone. So if you ask me what makes this phone not okay, it's the apps. Yes, Windows Mobile doesn't have Google Apps, and also many third-party apps are not available. And even if we have some third-party apps, they have stopped their support. So many people left using Windows Mobile due to the lacking of apps. But Lumia still has many fans. So if you ever had a Lumia device, please comment your experience. And that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And for more videos, please subscribe to my channel.